this video, we're going to go over removing the upper, the rail, and the MiniCan on the BM-9. The tools we're going to be using are a 3/16 Allen key to remove the 2 rail screws, a rubber mallet to tap the rail forward once the screws are removed, a nylon strap wrench to remove the MiniCan, and a torque wrench to tighten everything down for reassembly. Now let's go to the shop and make it happen. Before disassembling, selectors on safe and that there's no round in the chamber. As we see here, chamber is clear. Good to go. So now we're going to want to remove the 2 takedown pins. Push down, then pull the end of the pins. Once those are pulled all the way out, remove the upper from the lower. Then you're going to want to remove the charging handle and your BCG. Put the complete upper on the building block here. Put the 2 pins in to fasten the upper to the block. Then, with your 3/16 Allen key, remove these 2 rail screws. And you may want to get a rubber mallet to push the rail forward. There should be a little bit of tension there. Then, with your nylon strap wrench, you're going to want to turn counterclockwise to remove the MiniCan. Remove the MiniCan and compression washer. And then for reassembly, we're just going to reassemble in reverse order of the disassembly process. So get your MiniCan and compression washer. With the compression washer, make sure the cone is facing out. And you're going to want to tighten it down until you reach bottom. Once you reach bottom, you're going to want to turn clockwise. And when you turn, you're going to want to turn about 1/4 of a turn until it's snug. You grab your rail, slide it over the barrel nut, and make sure it's lined up with the upper receiver. Once it's lined up, you're going to want to take the two bolts with your 3/16 Allen key and just get it in there just as a placeholder. And then we're going to follow through with the torque wrench. With the torque wrench here, it's set to 115 inch-pounds. We're just going to make sure these 2 bolts tighten down to 115 inch-pounds. And we're going to want to just distribute that torque, tighten them down a little bit, and then for the final torque, there you go. 1. All right. Double check it again. And there we hear the click. That means we're at our torque. So now, remove the 2 pins and remove the upper. We're going to take the charging handle, put it in here, make sure these ears line up with the slot in the upper. Put it in just a little bit so this key here can fit into the slot of the charging handle. Now line your pins up. Make sure the 2 holes line up. Push the pin forward. There you are. Pins are all the way in. You're good to go.